Now, I don't often beg, but I'm begging you now, please make my homemade garlic bread following this recipe and the super sexy salsa. You are gonna love it. Here are some of the ingredients. There are a few extra bits which you'll see later on. You don't need a food mixer, you can use a blender. Okay, so let's do this. Add your chopped tomatoes, add your 1/3 of a cup of diced onion, add your fine sea salt, add 1 clove of garlic, add a little bit more if you prefer, and this is the secret ingredient. This is 2 chopped gherkins. I think somewhere in the world you call them pickles. You can do this or you can use jalapenos. A good pinch of chili flakes and a good pinch of crushed black pepper. So this is where the magic happens, baby. We're going to give it a few quick pulses. We don't want to overdo it, otherwise you'll end up with more of a sauce than a salsa. Now is a great time to squeegee down any of the content stuck to the blender, and of course add the lime in that you forgot earlier. Give it a few quick pulses just to mix the lime in, and then put this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. But what are we going to do for 20 minutes, I hear you say? We're going to make my homemade vegan garlic bread, and this beats all of the other garlic breads I've ever had, hands down. This bit is super simple. You're just going to add 45 ml of a really decent quality extra virgin olive oil. If you're not using oil, put 45 ml of lemon juice instead of oil for this, 4 cloves of garlic, a handful of cilantro, or as we call it, coriander, a good pinch of pepper, and a good pinch of sea salt. So as my friend Jules from The Easy Vegan would say, it's time to do some blitzy. Give it a whiz, and if it looks as dry as your girlfriend when you're doing it wrong, stick a bit more oil in. Oh my goodness, what did he mean about the girlfriend and the dryness stuff? Terrible. Don't laugh, you'll encourage him. Anyway, stick a finger in and give it a taste. Always good idea to do the finger test. Oh my god, did I just go there? You can cut directly across in diagonals all the way across the top of your bread, and then just prise them open and then spoon this between, or you can cut it in half like I have, and then just take your mixture and just drizzle it on. As an alternative to using oil, I know a lot of people, including myself, are not sure what the science is yet, because people are advocating for no oil and some people are advocating for lots of oil. Well, I do tend to stay away from oil most of the time, but if you was going to have this maybe once a week or just once every now and then for a dinner party, then I don't think there's any problem. But you could instead of using oil for the base for this, you could use lemon juice, okay? And that would make this incredibly healthy, if indeed this isn't. So we're just going to pop this into the oven for about 5 minutes until we've got some colour on, and then this is ready for eating, and I'll be back with you then with our salsa and our lovely garlic bread. As with serving up any dish, it is all about presentation. I chose to add my tortillas to a lovely bowl with a ramekin in the middle with lots of this lovely salsa in. Something I had never done before was added this to the salsa, and my goodness, it gave it such a punch of garlic, and it looks quite nice too. Topped it off with some sesame seeds, and of course, if you've seen my videos before, don't know what they are, if you've seen my videos before, you know I love nigella seeds, so there it is. A really super simple salsa, that is absolutely mind-blowing good, and trust me, this garlic bread is divine. Thank you very much if you've watched it all the way through the episode. I really do appreciate it. Bye for now.